I already have the tuna right here, and it's the albacore tuna I use. I threw away the tin already, so. And I was like making my tuna. I said, you know what? I decided to film. I said, let me show my supporters how I make my tuna. Maybe you guys would like it, you know? All right, so boom. We got the tuna, like I said. And I normally do like onions. I have a little piece of onion inside here that I was using, so I'm just gonna finish it up. I'm chopping up my onions. And guys, to be honest, I don't measure like 1 cup or half a teaspoon and all of that. No, I don't do that. I just listen. I don't know if it's a Jamaican thing, but or it's just a black people thing, but we don't measure food. We just cut up and taste and galang about our business. We don't really measure anything. So I cut up a few more pieces on. I might as well just finish this onion, seriously. Like, there's nothing left. So boom, bam, bam. I got my onions chopped up, and then I'm gonna take some Scotch bonnet pepper, and I'm just gonna cut up a few pieces because this pepper is hot. I actually got this from Walmart. I was shocked when I saw this at Walmart because here in Houston, Walmart don't really have Scotch bonnet pepper. So I'm gonna go ahead and chop up the bell peppers just like that, and then I'm gonna go ahead and just okay guys, and I like to add lettuce and tomatoes to my sandwich, so I'm taking that out. This is the lettuce here that I use over here, and the tomato. I have my black pepper, and I have my sea salt, and I have my mayo. Okay, so we're going to take my tuna, and I'm going to add everything in it. I'm going to add all the chopped up onions and bell peppers to the tuna. Just like that. Okay, so now that I have everything in the bowl, I'm going to add some black pepper. I'm adding a little bit of salt. Boom, that's it, no more. So yeah guys, so we're gonna add the mayo now. We're gonna and then I'm gonna mix everything up. I'm gonna cut a few slices of the tomato. I don't have the big one, I only have the little small ones, so this is what I'm gonna use today. I normally have the big round one, but I don't have that today, so this is what we're gonna work with. Okay, And I'm just gonna cut this up. So after I do that, I'm gonna get my lettuce. I'm going to wash it real good. Make sure there's no dirt or anything. Even though sometimes it comes in the pack, it says washed and ready to eat. It's not ready for me. I have to make sure that I wash it again. Especially now with coronavirus and everything that's going on. I have to make sure that I'm cleaning my vegetables. So we're gonna go ahead and rinse that real well. I'm gonna use the honey wheat bread. Okay, one more thing, guys. I'm going to be cutting up some avocado because I love avocado, and I think it tastes so good on the sandwich. You cut your avocado and you find it hard to take out the middle part. All you have to do is just chop it, the knife in there, and it comes right out like that. See? Just like that. I'm gonna de-shell the avocado. So boom, we have a perfect piece. So I'm gonna slice it up. This is it, guys. And you put your tuna down, boom. Okay, then I'm gonna add lettuce, and I'm only gonna do half. I'm gonna add my lettuce, and I'm gonna add two slices of tomato, boom, like that. And then I'm gonna add 2 slices of avocado, and that's good enough for me, like that. Okay. Alright guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video on how I make my tuna sandwich. If you guys would like to follow the recipe, feel free to do so. Let me know how it works out for you. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. I appreciate you guys so much. We are on our way to 200 subscribers. So make sure to spread the word about Life with Nique. Until next time, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.